Did you know one of the world's most famous authors almost threw away his breakthrough novel? In 1973, Stephen King was working as a janitor at a high school, earning just $6,400 a year. Every night he'd sneak into the furnace room and write on his wife's old typewriter. His novel was called Carrie, about a girl with telekinetic powers, but 30 publishers rejected it, calling the story too dark and negative. Crushed and defeated, King crumpled up the entire manuscript and threw it in the trash. His wife Tabitha found those pages later that night. She read every word while he slept, then shook him awake. "You have to try one more time," she insisted. Months later, while King was unclogging a toilet at school, the call came. Doubleday wanted to publish Carrie for $2,500. Then the paperback rights sold for $400,000. That janitor became worth $500 million, proving sometimes all you need is one person who believes in you.